If I want to change a value in a list or a dictionary, I would set that value like this. Okay, so if I have an AR fruit, apple, orange, banana, that array, and I wanted to change banana to watermelon, I would use for a list the index AR fruit 2 equals watermelon. So I'm saying that bucket now has watermelon in it. And then if I reprint that array, or if I look at it again, that's what the new array will look like. So I'm taking whatever is in 0, 1, 2, index 2, and I'm putting the string watermelon in it. So now it equals that. A dictionary is a little bit different, but a similar idea once you get the hang of referencing the key name instead of the index. If I wanted to change Bob to Bill for the employee name, I would say the employee name equals Bill. That would change that value. Okay.